In this short video, I like to show you how to attach a bolt on guitar neck. The first step is to test fit the neck, to make sure it's a snug fit. To help align the neck, I use the two E-strings. After I set the alignment, I clamp the neck in place. Therefore, I take a C-clamp and some scrap wood pieces to make sure I protect the frets and the back of the guitar body. Then I measure the length of the screws and mark the depth on the drill bit. Now I drill the first hole and insert the first screw. After making sure that the alignment of the neck is still correct, I drill the second hole. Now that the neck is held in place by two screws, I can remove the clamp. I now drill the remaining two holes. I screw in the remaining screws, and that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.